Hi everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for being here. Today I have a haul for my subscription from Uniquely Creative. They recently had a sale where you got 50% off their subscription for their main kit, which is a paper kit, and you also got given some freebies and a card sampler for the card kit. And then I also subscribed to it's called Storyteller, and it's a monthly subscription based on each month of the year, so that at the end of the year you'll have a scrapbook for each month. So I thought I would do a quick video showing you guys what's in each of the kit. But apart from that, please like and subscribe, and here we are with the video. Okay guys, so this is my kit that I got. The first one that I will review will be the Storyteller kit for January, and all of the lovely and amazing things that we get in here. So I have purchased January in February. They still had a few of those left. I'll see online if they do, and I will link it below if I can find them. And then I also got the February one, and it will continue to be received monthly. So what we got was we received these butterfly and doily cutouts, and you can add these to the decorations. I'll show you the book that you get with your subscriptions in a second, and it gives you ideas on how to use all of the included items. You also got these gems and sequins, which are really, really pretty. They don't show up on camera because I could not get the focus to work, but really, really pretty. The butterflies come in both black and white, and they're quite flimsy, not in a bad way, just in a, you could stack them up to make them more durable. You could cut them in half so that you could split them across your layout. Just really fun to play with, I think. And you get some half butterflies as well. You also get this photo stamp with the dimensions of the photos. And this is for if you're doing a folio, for example, or you're gifting the thing you've created. You get the months in a puffy foam. These was the biggest selling point for me. I absolutely love these stickers. They just look adorable, and I love the font. This is the book I was telling you about that comes with the collection, and it will give you examples of how to decorate your pages, also instructions for how they decorated their pages. I think it's really useful, especially if you're starting out. I'm not a scrapbooker per se, but I do really enjoy making folios, and that's why I've purchased this kit. The paper is stunning. The quality of the paper, the visuals, like the A and the B side, I have got no complaints whatsoever. It is a lovely thickness. I cannot wait to play with it. I've never played around with Uniquely Creative's paper before. I have purchased a few of their dies and some of their glitter pens, but this is my first time with their paper, and I can't speak more highly of them. This little kit, you get a few pieces, which is really nice because you can kind of build a really good scene with those. This is the February Storyteller kit. You get the papers, you get the book of instructions, and you will also get generally some freebies. So in the month of February, you received a die, you received some photo edges, and also some of those tags, which I'll show in just a second. And the photo edges are like a metal. They're lovely. They're going to be really pretty to use in my projects. Just really nice. I've never seen these type of ones before that are metal, but as I said, I'm kind of new to all of this scrapbooking side of things. The tags are nice as a cardboard ones and also some chipboard ones as well. They will just add some dimension to your projects if you choose to use them. And then you get these dies, which are like pipe dies, and they go with the theme of the February kit. So they should be fun to use. I don't know how often I will use those particular dies, but who knows? You get the monthly book as well. Once again, it just goes over some suggestions and how they did what they did. And this month's one is, once again, it's just stunning. You get those cut aparts. You get a few cut aparts in this one. It feels masculine. It was great. This is the freebie that you got as part of that discount that they offered. So this is the card making kit. I was so impressed with the contents of this particular subscription because you get everything that you need to make a fair few cards. So you get the string, which is really nice and colourful. You get double-sided foam tape in all different sizes, which is always useful. And then you get this whole stack of cards and envelopes so that way you can use all of their products and you don't actually need to purchase anything except for probably glue, or if your preference is sticky tape. You then get these cutouts that go with the theme of the paper, which I will show in just a second. You get a lot of them. The paper is set to, I think it's like 6 by 8 or around there. Just as stunning as the 12 by 12 paper. It's vibrant, it's colourful, This one is kid themed and I love it. I think that this is going to be great for doing kids cards for the whole year. Sorry that that's not in the best kind of frame, but it is just gorgeous. A few cut apart pages is in there as well. If you want to be able to do cards on the fly really quickly, this is something that you might want to invest in because you do get a multitude of things. Lastly, we got these print out pages, which you can use your Copics or any coloured textures. You get two different types, which one is like on a soft shiny paper and the other one's on a bit of a matte paper. And you also get a book, just like the other subscriptions, which goes through suggestions and ideas on how best to use all of the items that are in that kit. And this is a lot more in depth than the other books that you get. I think it's because it's card based, so you're able to kind of throw out a lot more ideas, and that was really interesting. Once again, as part of the offer that was on Valentine's Day, you also got given these freebie dies. So these were really nice and they say best wishes, thank you, and have a fabulous birthday. Once again, I've purchased their dies before from Uniquely Creative and they're great. They work fantastic. You also get this Eiffel Tower die and this circle spinner die, which I can't wait to actually use that and see what it turns out like. You also get this plate die, which that is going to be really, really interesting to use as well. This is the main kit. So this is the $44.95 a month kit or subscription kit. And I was watching their video that they did at the start of February, which highlighted the contents, and I was blown away with what you receive as part of this particular kit. And I can't wait to see what I get for the rest of my subscription. So we get some twine, and then you get all of these embellishments as well. There's like wheels and buses. It's very industrial. And then you get the ephemera. I've been saying cutouts or cut aparts, but ephemera. And so this kit is all about exploring the world and all about travels and sightseeing and everything like that. You also get this die that says let's go. To make the kit more user friendly and not just being about sightseeing, it also comes with those cut aparts that you can use. It comes with these puffy stickers. You've got a lot of dimension on these. These look really, really nice. I'd be interested to see their longevity on the paper. And you also get these puffy stickers as well, which match the colours of the twine in the card making kit. So as I show you here, this is the February booklet going through what they do for their spreads on their pages, and then it will give you a overview of what is included in next month's kit. The kits are really interesting because if you've subscribed to their kit, every month they will release new dies or I believe stamps and just a whole bunch of extra things. And if you want to purchase those, you just go into your monthly subscription online and you add those dies to your subscription. It saves on shipping, so they'll just come with your kit. So you'll be charged extra, of course, but that you just save on the shipping, which is really nice. You receive these cut aparts, which is on a shiny type of paper. It's nice and it's not too thick, but it's thick. And then you get this burlap material, which is really interesting. And then this is the 12 by 12 collection. The cut aparts in this collection are stunning, and it's just, I've never seen cut aparts like this before. This is just going to be so easy to use and have the paper do the work for you. So this one here, they've got a whole map of the world. Even the B-sides are just lovely. If you don't want to make it travel themed, you can definitely do a few different themes. It doesn't have to be all just travel. As I said, it's got a masculine feel across the board for these type of ones. You could easily make it girly. You could easily make it more masculine. These ones with the clouds is just beautiful. And then we've got some more cut aparts here. I just can't wait to have a play around with it, really. It's just going to be lots of fun. You got some tag cut aparts as well. I do believe that there is a die that you can purchase in which works with those. But I mean, look at these. I mean, how fun is that going to be to play around with? Well, thanks guys. If you like it, then please feel free to like and subscribe. Once again, thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.